Double-hung windows. Sumter SC are a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and style. These windows offer easy operation with their two movable sashes, allowing for improved ventilation and ease of cleaning. Double-hung Windows Sumter SC are available in various materials including vinyl and wood to match any home aesthetic. Window installation in Sumter is a crucial service for those looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Professional window installation. Sumter ensures that your windows are fitted correctly, providing optimal insulation and security. Trusting, experienced window contractors. Sumter, South Carolina guarantees a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient windows in Sumter are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed with advanced glazing and insulation technologies to minimize heat transfer. Energy-efficient windows. Sumter can significantly lower your utility bills while contributing to a greener planet. Window replacement in Sumter SC is a smart investment for homeowners dealing with outdated or damaged windows. Upgrading to modern window styles. Sumter SC can enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Window replacement. Sumter SC services offer a wide range of options, from vinyl windows, Sumter, South Carolina, to custom double-hung windows, Sumter, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. Vinyl windows in Sumter, South Carolina are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners. Known for their low maintenance and energy efficiency, vinyl windows Sumter, South Carolina are available in various styles and colors. These windows are resistant to warping, peeling, and fading, making them a long-lasting choice for any home. Wooden windows in Sumter offer a classic and timeless appeal. These windows provide excellent insulation and can be customized to fit any architectural style. Wooden windows Sumter require regular maintenance to preserve their beauty and functionality, but their aesthetic value is unmatched. Window replacement in Sumter SC is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Whether dealing with broken glass, damaged frames, or malfunctioning hardware, window replacement Sumter SC services can restore your windows to their original condition. Prompt replacements can prevent further damage and extend the lifespan of your windows. Custom double-hung windows. Sumter allow homeowners to create unique and personalized window solutions. Whether you need specific dimensions, shapes, or designs, custom windows. Sumter can be tailored to meet your exact specifications. These windows offer a perfect blend of style and functionality. Window maintenance in Sumter, South Carolina is key to ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular cleaning, sealing, and inspections can prevent common issues such as drafts and leaks. Window maintenance Sumter, South Carolina services provide comprehensive care to keep your windows in top condition. Window styles in Sumter SC range from traditional to contemporary, offering options for every taste and preference. Popular window styles. Sumter SC include casement, awning, and bay windows, each providing unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Choosing the right style can enhance your home's architecture and functionality.